So here we are on the outside, and this is we're below the window. I don't know if you can see, I'm kind of shooting half into the sun. There's the window there. We come down, and here's this alloy strip here, and this you can see in there. Can you see that? There's another rivet there. Okay, now this alloy strip is riveted through the outside skin and onto that internal alloy rail, which sits proud of the lower fiberglass boat. Okay, so I can show you an end shot on that in a minute. But here's the deal. Have a look. Now, here's the rivets here, which are attaching the fiberglass to that rail. And can you see the light inside that rivet? That's because the center pin is gone. And that's a water ingress hole right there. All right, water's going to drip down here. It might drip off here, but while you're towing, it's going to be coming in here. And basically, what's going to happen is that the water's just going to find its way in. Whether you're stationary or driving, it's going to happen. There's just not enough overhang for all the water to shed off. It's going to, through capillary action and that, it's going to find its way in. It's just what happens. So you see there's a hole. There's a hole. Okay. So even these rivets that don't show any light coming through them, they're still not sealed. So what's going to happen is that you're going to have all sorts of leaks. This is where part of my leak problem is coming from. It's not we have other problems up here below the window, but this isn't good. This will leak down here, leak down onto the to the wood on the inside, and then basically find its way out. So there you have it. If you got one of these, that's the first, and you're not taking it apart, that's the first thing I'd be doing, is going along here, cleaning these up, and then sealing them up. Just fire some silicone sealant in there and just keep an eye on them. You won't see them unless you're kind of kneeling down. To be perfectly honest, I didn't even really notice they were there until I noticed they were leaking on the inside. So there you go. First big tip: seal those up and solve your future